Hi, welcome everybody. It's Paul of Southern Adirondack Outdoors. On the mill today, we don't have anything yet, but gonna try to get this guy on there. It's a black cherry crotch that's been hanging around for years. I'm getting tired of looking at it, so I'm gonna saw it up. That's the reason why it's been hanging around is that it is rather large. Across this crotch here, it is 37 inches. My mill will only cut 26 at the max for the width. You'll see, I don't know if that comes through or it's going to get washed out. Little marks I've made here in the circles are where I'm going to shave it off with this chainsaw. And this end of it has a crotch going the other direction. And the dilemma on this side is, well, the usual, let's see, the sun's horrible today. I'm going to take off this wing and this wing as well. Here's about 35 by 37. And this mark here that I made, that's 27 inches. That's as high as my mill will go up. So that's where the blade could go through. And obviously there's a good chunk of wood up atop. So I'm going to do something with that. And I do have about a 10-inch throat on the saw. So if the blade was here, up to about here, it could go through. Maybe. So I'm going to have a little chainsawing to do here. Don't know if I'll film it. Well, maybe I'll put on time lapse or something. It's going to take a little bit. So hopefully we'll get this on the mill. Okay, everybody, I had to flip it down to get on the forks of the tractor. Make this cut here along the length of this section. I think I got the forks behind the cut, but we'll see. Alright, well, I won't tell anybody about that cut. Not the prettiest in the world. Make it cut in the mill. Now we'll try to get down the mill. It's going to be awkward. The bottom that's sitting on the forks is still round. Yeah. It's sort of on there. Oh. Hey. Well, that's actually a good thing that just happened. Back when I was cutting with the chainsaw, I was hoping this would split off, but it didn't. The upper short hunk has split away. I'm going to try to dispose of it. I'll get something out of it. I'll saw it up, of course, but maybe I get a little cut here at the top. And that'll make life simpler. Yay. Well, that took hardly nothing at all. I didn't get a chance to use the saw. I just came over here and tugged down a little bit and down it came. Alright. Clean up things and be right back. Okay. I got that hunk that came off and got this other piece situated, the main chunk. And I was going to call this something like Big Log Little Mill, but I'm going to have to rethink that now. With my chainsaw carving and that big hunk coming out the top, I have to come up with a different name. First cut's going to come through. This area here is a nice figure, but it doesn't go deep, I'm sure. And come through just below there, too, because this is a whole bunch of dirt and bark and who knows what's in there. That's where the other piece is attached. So I'll come through just below that, and then I'm going to go down as far as I can until I hit the clamps. Well, hopefully don't hit them, but before I hit the clamps. If anybody's wondering, I guess it's soft maple. Ooh. Beautiful on the inside. I'm not liking the cut quality. Chatter marks. That's a 10-degree blade. I'll have to switch to a 4 maybe. But the wood looks beautiful. And that pattern on the end of that one doesn't really go deep. The blade's changed to 4-degree, so we're ready to go. Let's see, I think I can get one more. And then get these off of here and then flip her over. I was going to wait till the end to show these to you guys, but I got that last slab off. This is the remaining on the deck. And I wanted to put some water on here. Take a look at it before, in case it faded away or something, but I don't know what you call that. I've never seen that before. Leoparding spots. snakeskin looking. So, surprised. This log's been sitting on the ground for 4 years plus, so. Oh, I can keep on going. Alright, we see I had to stop there a couple times. I had just one little clearance issue that I started chopping away at, some rotten sapwood. Then it kept on going down to the solid wood, so I had to get the chainsaw out. So I'm going to get these all laid out and bring you back to have a look-see. Should be beautiful. If you need any cherry colored sawdust, it's pretty. I was looking through cherry colored glasses for a while there. I got them all laid up for you guys. As you can see, they take up the whole saw bed. I didn't count, 1, 2, 3, 7 of them. And I'm going to go around to the other side. Might be better light to show you the details. This one's got some funky curly grain. We're going down deeper in now. Some nice crotch figure here. And more crotch figure. You'll see dry spots because I don't have much water over here. And that's where I had to stop, I think, at one point. I never like to stop at the mill. These marks. That looks like that's the pith board. Still pretty though. Then over here, more of that leoparding or whatever you want to call it. I'm not sure what it's called. Goes down, sorry about the sun. Goes down almost the whole length of this one. And this has, now you're seeing down here, or the horizontal, or the marks on this way are the saw chatter, but you'll see in the grain pattern, I can't see the screen, but you'll see in the grain pattern how it's got all sorts of little squiggles in it. And this one is super squiggly. Sorry, trying to maneuver through here. Can't see what's on the screen because of the sun, but see all these lines going in and out, making like a V pattern or chevron pattern. And hopefully it's coming through. This is pretty sunny out here today. Not complaining, but makes for tough filming. Oh, and from this angle, I think you can see the leoparding there as well. So overall, some pretty nice boards out of that. Nice slabs, that is. Wasn't sure what to do with that. Couldn't make lumber out of it because of all the crotches and stuff going on. Wouldn't work for lumber, so went for slabs, and I'm glad I did. So if you like this video, please be sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you again next time.